If you want to take photos using the highest resolution possible on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you want to open Settings and scroll down in order to find Camera Settings. In here we're gonna go to Formats, and the first thing that we need to do is choose High Efficiency in Camera Capture. This allows us to save in HEIF format or HEVC format, which provides the highest efficiency. We can also switch the photo mode to 24 megapixels, and also we can enable 48 megapixels using the resolution control option, which is over here, ProRAW and resolution control. And over here we can also read that if you use night mode, flash, macro photo or live photo, then you won't be able to take 48 megapixel photos. And this is something that we want to avoid, of course, because we want to take 48 megapixel photos. So with these options enabled, we can go to the camera. Over here in the upper left corner, we can tap on HEIC and we can switch to 48 megapixels over here where we have resolution. Disable the macro photo, disable the night mode, and make sure that the flash and live options are off as well. And of course, if you don't keep the camera too close, if you keep the distance, if you try to take a standard photo, you should be able to save it using 48 megapixels. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.